Today on Red Sofa, I'm interviewing Jochen Meissner, President and CEO of Goss International. Welcome.
Thank you.
My name is Thomas Fasold. I'm Editor-in-Chief of drupa Report Daily. What are your impressions from the first 8 days of drupa?
I think the show started a little slow, but after the second day, we saw the traffic increase. And from a Goss perspective, most importantly, we had good visits, a lot of important meetings, and also real projects that we could announce during our show.
With VPAC, Goss is showing for the first time a system for packaging printing. Please, could you explain some technical features of the system?
I think it's a big step for Goss to offer a solution for the printing industry that appeals to both the flexible packaging as well as carton printing. Web Offset offers a true alternative in terms of print quality, make-ready savings, and productivity. And the basis of this development is a cut-off variable press that we show at our booth. And rather than going through all the detail here, I think it would be best if you look at it at the booth, where we have a very nice presentation and demonstrate the ease of the repeat change between jobs.
Okay. And what are your expectations how this new business will develop?
I think this new business will become the third leg for Goss to stand on. We'll continue to develop our core newspaper and commercial business, and we have a number of our latest developments at the booth. And over time, the packaging segment will become our third important segment. We expect that will not happen overnight, of course, but we believe that the Sunday technology that has set new standards in the commercial printing industry will also allow the packaging industry to make quantum leaps in terms of productivity.
Let's talk a little bit about your traditional offset business. Which are the highlights on the Goss stand in commercial and in newsprinting?
On the commercial side, we show the M600, which is without any doubt the most successful 16-page press around the world. Highest print quality. There are a number of new developments in this press that include roller settings and I think probably very importantly the application of the Goss Digital Inker in this model. Emulsion of ink and water resulting in ink savings. So these features have ensured that this machine, after so many successful years, is still the leader of the pack, so to say. And then, of course, easy to find because of its sheer size is the Sunday 5000, a 96-page press. What we have here at our booth is a unit of a system that is going to be installed at Starkdruck here in Germany, in Pforzheim, in the next few months. Those machines print over 5 million pages, or around 5 million pages per hour, and are setting the standard for high-volume offset printing throughout Europe today.
Mm-hmm. And will there be more competition between the wide high-volume machines and the 16-page systems in the future?
I think they appeal to different segments of the market. The 16-page press is certainly going to be very successful in many parts of the world. The trends here in Europe have been over the last few years into wider webs, maximum of automation, and the Sunday 5000 is setting the standard there today.
Okay. You had a few years of experience going to drupa. How many drupas have you been to, and when was the first time?
The first time was probably around 1990. maybe even earlier, so I haven't counted them. But I hope there will be a lot more successful drupas. So I think I'm one of the people who have a chance to go to 10 drupas possibly.
Okay, and which drupa was the most significant?
I think drupa 2000 probably set the highlight in terms of what was shown at the time. Sunday technology in newspaper and commercial was presented there. I think then the last drupa was a very good drupa, but it's in 2008. But it started the decline of our overall market. So it was a drupa of hopes, but limited realization. And I think this drupa is an interesting drupa, because I think there is a difference between the excitement and where the action is. And I would say there's a lot of interest in digital technology. We see fantastic solutions here, but I think there's a lot more action in the packaging industry. I'm torn between calling it a digital drupa or packaging drupa.
Okay, it's great spending time with you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Fasselt.